Hello, good morning. How are you all doing? I am sure you are doing very well today. Today we'll be looking at possessive adjective part 2. Last time we discussed possessive adjectives. We talked about how to use first person singular pronoun and first person plural pronoun to form possessive adjectives. Today we're going to be looking at how to use second person singular pronoun and then of course second person plural pronoun to form possessive adjectives. Now I have to remind you that when we talk about possessive, we talk about ownership. In other words, how do you talk about something that is your own? Like we say, you want to say, this is my car. How do you say that in Igbo? This is my house. How do you say that in Igbo? That is my chair. How do you say that in Igbo? So today we're going to be looking at the second person. The second person has to do with the next person. You want to talk about your bag. You're talking about somebody else's bag. Say your house, your children. How do you say that in Igbo? Okay, let's get started. Now, the verb, the pronoun your, it means ge. When we are talking about singular pronoun, it means ge. Remember to always write the object before the pronouns in Igbo. Very, very important. Whenever you're talking in Igbo, we mention the object before the pronoun. Some example, ochegi, your chair. Ulogi, your house. Egogi, your money. Eferegi, your plates. Nwagi, your child. You can see that all the objects came before the pronoun in Igbo, but in English it is not the same thing. So I have to take note of that. So let's say a few sentences. Nke a bụ oche gị. This is your chair. Ọ bụ ụlọ gị. It is your house. Lee ego gị. See your money. Ọ bụ nwa gị. He's your child or she's your child. Nke a bụ efere gị. This is your plate. So you can see the places where we have to talk about possession. The objects all came before the pronoun. So let's look at second person plural pronoun. Now, when you're talking about more than one person, it's plural, or more than one object is plural. So in Igbo, the plural pronoun your means unu. Unu. Always remember to write the objects before the pronouns. Always. Examples: oche unu, your chair. Nri unu, your food. Akpa unu, your bag. Ụgbọala unu, your car, not your chair, that's a mistake. Akwụkwọ unu, your book. So unu here has to do with something that belongs to more than one person, maybe to a family, to a group of people, to an organization, to a circle of friends. So they're called unu. Okay. Now let's make a few sentences. Buru oche unu, carry your chair. Lee nri unu, see your food. Ndị a bụ akpa unu, these are your bags. Ọ bụ ụgbọala unu, it is your car. Were akwụkwọ unu, take your book. So you can see, no matter what you are saying or you're asking them to do, the pronoun will always come ahead, except for very few occasions. So now I want you to try your own. Make 3 sentences each with the second person singular pronouns and the second person plural pronouns. Now I want you to write it down somewhere and then use it to talk to people. Practice. Practice is the key to learning any language. I'm sure you enjoy this class. Let me hear you in the comments. Kemesiano.